Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world here on YouTube Tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're gonna talk about upcoming OnePlus 70 and 70 Pro. Let's have a look. In mid-May, OnePlus announced OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro. And if the fashionable Pro versions received a 90Hz 2K screen, a triple camera with a wide-angle module and a telezoom as well as a frameless display with a retractable camera, then the usual OnePlus 7 was more likely an easy upgrade of the OnePlus 60 with a usual Full HD screen with a drop under the front and regular camera. A separate model for Pokken in 2019 is ridiculous. OnePlus is not going to abandon the phone release cycle twice a year, but still the double announcement of the 7s has made its own adjustment. According to the latest rumors, the successor of the OnePlus 7 Pro, which immediately turned to be tricked out, will be released in a limited number of countries. OnePlus 70 Pro does not plan to sell in the USA and Europe is in question. But India and China should definitely be lucky, but the updated OnePlus 70 will be released in all markets. He will get a triple camera module with a new circular design, a 90Hz Full HD display, and increase a 3800 mAh battery and a Snapdragon 855 Plus. The announcement of the OnePlus 70 and OnePlus 70 Pro should take place in mid-October. That is 5 months after the debut of the OnePlus 7 series, as such as a rush is not very popular with exciting customers. But still the limited edition 70 Pro looks reasonable. It will only replace the Snapdragon 855 processor with a Snapdragon 855 Plus. The differences are minimal and the battery capacity will increase by 85 mAh up to 4085 mAh. In addition, the 70 and 70 Pro are expected to have a super slim of 960 fps at 720p. Android 10 out of the box and support for fast charging Warp Charge which is 20% more powerful than the previous one. Also expected Pliny macro mode which can be installed on the 70 Pro but which does not work. All the last moments however can fly to the OnePlus 7 Pro as part of the update. Personally, we are most looking forward to the OnePlus 70. It's look promising. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding upcoming OnePlus 70 and OnePlus 70 Pro. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World, and peace out. Take care. Bye bye.